More migrant children seeking asylum just arrived at the San Diego Convention Center tonight, joining nearly 500 girls who arrived on Saturday. The convention center now dealing with dozens of COVID-19 cases. Good evening. I'm Kimberly Hunt.
And I'm Steve Atkinson. We have team coverage tonight of the situation going on down at the convention center. Our ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo is there with what we know about the latest group of children.
Well, Steve and Kimberly, it is unclear exactly what time these girls arrived, but we did see buses pulling into a convention center parking lot away from our view. But HHS tells us there are 250 teenage girls ages 13 to 15 that are now joining the close to 500 that arrived on Saturday. The convention center will become home for hundreds of migrant girls who are expected to arrive Monday night. The girls seeking asylum will stay for 30 to 35 days while they reunite with their sponsors, oftentimes family members in the country.
They are the sweetest, politest, most graceful young women I've ever met.
Kathy Lembo is the CEO of SBCS, formerly known as South Bay Community Services, a nonprofit coordinating support for the girls during their stay.
What happens first is sort of a medical check and a COVID-19 testing.
Monday, Health and Human Services confirming 27 girls from Saturday's group tested positive for COVID-19 before arriving at the convention center. They traveled and were processed separately. 6 more girls tested positive during their intake screening, plus an additional 4 who were exposed tested positive Monday. Those girls in isolation on another floor. The volunteers helping care for them are fully vaccinated.
The COVID dorm is separated. It actually is on a different floor than the other dorm. So the COVID dorm eats separately. They do everything separately.
The emergency intake shelter can house up to 1,450 children, many asking how they can help. For now, SBCS asking people to donate to the San Diego Foundation, who set up a fund. Anyone wishing to donate anything else should call SBCS for guidance.
People are being generous, but we also need to be careful about what we give the girls and don't give the girls. And it is for their safety.
Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News. Again, 250 girls spending their first night here at the convention center. We are told that the intake process, once they arrive here, can be lengthy because, as you heard, they are all medically checked and tested for COVID-19. Reporting live from the convention center, Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.